Welcome to our 10-minute deep dive into the incredible processing power of the human brain. Did you know that your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb? It's true. This remarkable organ inside your head is a powerhouse of electrical activity and complex neural networks that make your thoughts, feelings, and actions possible. Let's start by exploring the sheer volume of information your brain processes on a daily basis. Every second, your brain is bombarded with millions of sensory inputs from your eyes, ears, skin, and other organs. It's estimated that the human brain processes about 11 million bits of information per second, but we're only consciously aware of about 40 bits. That's like having a supercomputer running in the background, constantly filtering and prioritizing information to keep you functioning smoothly. But how does the brain manage all this data? The secret lies in its intricate network of neurons and synapses. Your brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others through synapses. These connections form the basis of your brain's electrical activity. When a neuron fires, it sends a tiny electrical impulse across the synapse to the next neuron. This process happens billions of times per second, creating a constant buzz of activity that underlies all your mental processes. The complexity of these neural networks is staggering. If we were to map out all the connections in a single human brain, the resulting diagram would be larger than the entire Milky Way galaxy. It's this vast interconnectedness that allows your brain to perform its myriad functions. From controlling your breathing to solving complex mathematical equations, one of the most fascinating aspects of the brain's processing power is its ability to adapt and change over time. This property, known as neuroplasticity, means that your brain is constantly rewiring itself in response to new experiences and learning. Every time you learn a new skill or form a new memory, your brain physically changes, creating new neural pathways or strengthening existing ones. Neuroplasticity is not just limited to childhood development. Your brain remains plastic throughout your entire life, allowing you to continue learning and adapting well into old age. This ability to change and grow is what allows people to recover from brain injuries, learn new languages in adulthood, or even adapt to using prosthetic limbs. The concept of neuroplasticity has revolutionized our understanding of brain function and has important implications for fields like education and rehabilitation. By harnessing the brain's natural plasticity, we can develop more effective learning strategies and treatments for neurological disorders. Now, let's delve deeper into how these tiny electrical impulses form the basis of consciousness and learning. Every thought you have, every memory you recall, and every decision you make is the result of specific patterns of neural activity. When you learn something new, it's because your brain has formed new connections between neurons or strengthened existing ones. For example, when you're trying to memorize a phone number, your brain is rapidly forming temporary connections between neurons. If you repeat the number enough times, these connections become stronger and more permanent, allowing you to recall the number later. This process of strengthening neural connections through repetition is the basis of all learning and memory formation. But it's not just about forming new connections. Your brain is also constantly pruning away unused or unnecessary connections. This process of neural pruning is crucial for efficient brain function, allowing your brain to focus its resources on the most important and frequently used neural pathways. The interplay between neurons and synapses also plays a crucial role in our emotional experiences. When you feel happy, sad, or angry, it's because specific patterns of neural activity are triggering the release of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that influence mood and behavior. The complex dance of electrical and chemical signals in your brain creates the rich tapestry of human emotion and experience. It's important to note that while we often compare the brain to a computer, this analogy falls short in many ways. Unlike a computer, which processes information sequentially, your brain processes information in parallel across multiple regions simultaneously. This allows for incredibly fast and efficient processing, enabling you to make split-second decisions and react to your environment in real time. Moreover, your brain doesn't just process information, it creates meaning. It's constantly interpreting sensory input, making predictions about the future, and constructing your subjective experience of reality. This ability to create meaning and consciousness is something that even our most advanced artificial intelligence systems have yet to replicate. As we wrap up our deep dive into the human brain's processing power, It's clear that this organ inside your head is truly inspiring. From its ability to generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb to its capacity for constant adaptation and learning, the human brain is a marvel of biological engineering. The next time you solve a problem, learn a new skill, or simply enjoy a beautiful sunset, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity of the neural processes that make these experiences possible. Your brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of synapses, is working tirelessly to create your unique experience of the world. Understanding the power and potential of our brains can inspire us to take better care of them. Regular mental stimulation, physical exercise, and a healthy diet can all contribute to maintaining and even enhancing our brain function throughout our lives. By nurturing our brains, we can continue to learn, grow, and adapt, unlocking new potentials and possibilities. As we conclude this fascinating journey through the human brain, we hope you've gained a new appreciation for the remarkable organ that makes you, you. From the microscopic dance of neurons to the grand symphony of consciousness, your brain is a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the human experience. Remember, every thought you have, every memory you cherish, and every dream you pursue is made possible by the extraordinary processing power of your brain. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep marveling at the wonder that is the human brain. Like, share, and subscribe to Infinitoinial for more mind-blowing explorations of the world around and within us. Till next time, keep those neurons firing.